Iyakhula imakethe izindlu kanti nokukhuthaza ukutshala kwemali kuyo kukhuthazwa kakhulu. Lokhu kunomphumela wokwanda kwamagumbi okuqashisa akhiwa emizini eminingi. Lokhu ke kwande kakhulu emalokishini.
We found that the township communities are vibrant with a strong sense of community, and it's actually becoming a lifestyle thing. People actually want to live in the townships. There's people moving to the townships. There are obviously strong population growth from within the townships that is causing a lot of economic activity.
Uhlelo lulekelela abantu ezindabeni ezithinta izindlu, ukwakhiwa kwazo kanye nokulungiswa kwazo. Indlu Living Platform ingenile kulemakethe.
We started in 2017 when we first launched the Indlu app. It's an interesting landscape to work in. You have, from a technology point of view, you've got a lot of challenges with different types of phones and devices.
Ngokusho kaTrutha, ku-10% wabantu abahlala emiqashweni kanti kuningi okwenziwayo ukuqinisekisa ukuthi la makethe iba semthethweni.
Landlords can use the app to list their existing rental units, which then displays on the Indlu Living marketplace on indluliving.com, where tenants can then go to find a place that suits their needs. They can browse according to area.